Don't mind me, I'm just a diesel truck owner.
Truckiando.
Oh God. God!
Woo!
So you guys enjoy truck videos apparently, because every video that we keep posting of truck stuff does real well. The guys over at Horn Blasters sent us over one of their craziest kits that they've got, and today we're gonna install it and see what it's like, because I've never had a train horn on anything. Ooh, we got a bunch of shirts. Oh my God. That one's funny, dude.
Corn Star? I like that one. I like that one.
Oh, this is cool. So there's gonna be a chuck by the time that we're done on the back of the truck, to where if we need an air hose for anything on the road, if we're wanting to change out tires, we can literally just carry an air impact and hook it up to it, because it's like a 15-gallon tank, I believe is what's in here, and an air hose. So that's really cool. 200 PSI. They also sent a nice little pressure gauge, and it is literally one of the nicest ones that I've almost ever seen. So I guess this is the whole bracket that's gonna bolt up. So this is gonna be a spare tire delete. So we're gonna have to delete the spare tire, and then this is gonna go somewhere, I think, in the spare tire well. Wow. And now this is where the fun part comes in.
Yeah.
These are all of the horns that are part of the train horn. These are the, I think this is the conductor special kit. So these are like legit train horns. Another air tank. Wow. A lot of wire. Oh,
Compressor. Got there, Derek.
I guess it's a little cutter, so it actually can cut the hose. So
that's pretty handy.
That's actually quite nice.
Gotta make sure you can cut these hoses off. Got a bunch of fittings. Ooh, they're press fit fittings too. Hey, this is actually, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed.
It's a pretty solid little kit.
Yeah, God, I knew it. I was waiting on it whenever I saw you walking up earlier, looking all suspicious. That's why I stayed looking at you. I was like, I know you're trying to honk your f***ing horn right now. We're gonna have a few episodes of payback for all the times you've honked your little bullshit horn at me. That ain't even that bad. Those will make you go deaf. It is pretty impressive. The fact that the Horn Blasters kit appears, at least so far, to come with literally every single thing you need.
Yeah, and it's not like you need, since they Teflon wrapped everything, you don't need anything else. So
yeah, you gotta just put it together.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple. There's not really...
They really made it to where anybody can do this. You don't have to be an expert.
Honestly, it is super simple.
Mad prop.
This is a really, really nice compressor. We're about to get started installing this train horn. While we're working on this, Doug is gonna be under here because today he's converting all of the rubber vacuum hoses on the GT350 to stainless hoses. So we've got stainless steel braided vacuum lines for the turbos and the wastegates and everything.
Starting mock up on it, getting all of our fittings in and how they're gonna go.
Oh, what? That's cool.
So we're going all AN3 PTFE style.
Yeah. You can see before right here on the wastegate where the hoses were actually like trying to melt to it, the rubber hoses, and so we're getting those out of the way and replacing them with stainless lines, and that's why Doug's got these little nice bent fittings right there. Everything should be really safe and routed properly.
Here's what $1,000 looks like.
Yeah, literally just between these cups and this box right there, that's almost $1,000 in fittings and lines. Don't mind me, I'm just a diesel truck owner.
Truckiando.
Oh. Can you read it?
I think so.
So these horns literally just get mounted like one right here. Yeah, this is actually nice. The brackets are perfect. I don't know why I'm acting surprised. So the install on this kit is pretty simple. It literally, like verbatim, says mount the bells in the direction seen in the photo. So you just kind of mount them how it looks in the picture, and it's super simple. We're gonna mount everything to this like little carrier, if you will. It's like a big bracket, and according to Derek, I think we're gonna flip this upside down shortly, and the spare tire little thing that picks up the tire, we're gonna thread it into here, and it just picks up and kind of snugs it up tight up onto the truck. Oh. Can I borrow that little flathead you had?
It's a train horn.
It's a train horn.
Oh, that was a train horn. That's old Kyle down there in his Cummins. We're gonna meet up with him here shortly. He's already out and on the prowl. On the prowl. About a half an hour later, and our tanks are assembled. So we had to put a bunch of fittings in. We had to Teflon tape a bunch of stuff. Got a gauge on the top of this tank. We've got this nice little T at the bottom. Like I said, all just push connectors for all the air lines and everything. That's really nice. We've got the horns tight, so we can, what do we do next? Flip it upside down and...
Flip it upside down, and then they mount the actual tanks onto the carrier.
Country roads. take me home.
If y'all haven't seen the video of the GT350 getting wrapped, go check it out above.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting that the car is wrapped and nobody knows about it. I accidentally posted something on Twitter last night, and I was like, damn, I love this car, and it was just a picture from underneath, but you could barely on the corner see the wrap, and people were like, when are you gonna reveal the wrap? I was like, what wrap? And I was like, oh, fuck, nah.
I thought you did it on purpose.
Nah, I mean, it looked great. It looked like I did it on purpose, so I was happy, but nah, I straight up did that on accident and made a big oops. I really like this though, where they have like a whole entire unit that you just assemble. And just put the whole unit together. And now the rest that we're gonna have to work on is getting all these airlines hooked up. The cool thing that I like about this kit especially, and these fittings, whenever I was talking about these push locks earlier, you literally just take the airline, and as simple as it sounds, you just kind of stick it in there. And that's it. It's connected. Just like that. So now we'll feed this down through here, and we'll connect it to our first fitting, just like that. We've got our tank pressure right here, which is gonna join up to go inside right here into this solenoid. And from the solenoid, whenever that opens up, and there's 4 different outlets that go to each one of these horns.
Pretty clean.
That is pretty clean. I love these push connects. They're just push air fittings. They're so simple. So next up, we need to mount the compressor. And the compressor is kind of neat, but it mounts inside.
It's a unit.
This is a unit. It's kind of cool seeing it like a, oh my God.
How much do you think that was?
A good bit.
A good bit.
Probably 60 pounds.
And now you see that the centerpiece that Derek's got is gonna slip through the middle.
I know y'all can't see anything.
We're putting a thing through a thing. Oh, so close, come on. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Woo. Alrighty, so we've got our assembly dangling. And I'll just be honest with you, I don't think that you guys are gonna be able to see anything that we're gonna do past this point. I'm just gonna tighten this spare tire thing up just enough to suck it up to the bottom. Then after that, we're gonna, I guess, get started wiring the thing. It shouldn't be too much though. Luckily, these trucks have auxiliary switches built into the truck up above that we'll probably be able to tap into and use. And everything else other than that should be pretty straightforward. We just got the train horn hooked up finally, and Derek just got done wiring it. So we're just gonna give her a test, I guess.
All right.
Holy
Damn. That is loud.
be a higher pitch.
That was so loud that it echoed outside the shop. And the damn, let me show you where it's actually at. It's still down here, and the horns are pointed back. And somehow it was still loud enough to go outside and echo that way.
Now you got a proper way to say, get the fuck out the way.
That is true. That is true. So Doug and Derek actually found out how to wire it into the truck's factory auxiliary switches, which is pretty neat. So right here, if you hear behind us, the pumps are on, but now watch. Off and yeah. And then number one right here is our train horn.
Oh God. God.
Woo, that thing is loud.
Ooh, I wasn't prepared for
Woo,
that.
that's loud.
It's a lot louder right here than in front.
Anyways, we're gonna finish bolting everything up. We gotta put our air chuck on and get the actual thing lifted up again now that the wiring is done, and then we'll be able to pull it out and go try it out. This thing is loud. All right, go ahead. Dude, that was loud from back here.
I was shaking my stomach.
Oh my, I was trying to just hold still in video and it like scared the shit out of me still. I did not even expect that to be that loud. I just want to see how loud this thing is. No. We're going out real quick to go test our new train horn, and just out of curiosity, we figured let's test and see how far you can hear a train horn. Because this one's pretty loud, if you can't.
I wasn't prepared for that.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna drop Daniel and Andrew off at one of these pull-off spots here in just a second, and we're gonna mark a location, and we're gonna see how far I can really remotely go while you can still hear the train horn. What's your guess?
Andrew, you want to guess first?
I'm gonna guess 6 miles. If y'all are standing,
I
was gonna say 5.
6 miles is real generous. All right, I'll say 4 miles.
I'm saying 5.
I say 3.5. I'll say 3.5 miles.
We're not doing half miles, Daniel.
If we don't do half miles, I'll say no more than 4 miles.
And the crazy part is that there's a lot of woods around here too, and if there weren't woods to dampen the sound, it would probably go a lot further. So this is gonna be really interesting to see.
I feel bad for all the people that are gonna be driving around you.
Yeah, me too. Alrighty.
Y'all right?
Y'all hop out. Bye. Alrighty guys, here we go. We're gonna take off. I'm gonna see her real quick first.
Did y'all hear it? Okay, so it does work. It works from 10 feet away. Got it.
10 feet works. Nice.
Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and guess that they're gonna be able to hear it for really long ways. So I'm just gonna go, I don't know, probably a mile first. We'll start off at a mile.
It's not even ringing yet.
I have a feeling though that they're gonna be able to hear it extremely easy from a mile.
We just blew and I hear you. Did he really just not answer?
Gavin, you're supposed to be answering the phone, dude.
Alrighty. So I'm looking down at the trip right now, and we are right at a mile.
Alright, go ahead.
Alright, ready? Alright, ready?
Yep.
I didn't hear it.
I didn't hear. Wait.
Hold it down.
You didn't hear it?
No, do it again.
I don't hear it.
I don't hear it either.
Yeah, we don't hear it.
Hang on. Let me turn around and get closer.
Which way are the horns facing? Like, are they facing towards us?
Yeah. You can't even hear it already at a mile?
We just heard it on my phone.
There's also a lot of traffic over here. We keep getting a car passing by, so it's a little hard to hear. But yeah, we can't hear it. We hear it on the phone.
Okay.
I am about halfway back to y'all. I can almost see y'all.
Okay, so like half mile. That's him?
That's him right there, yeah. Look at him pulling off on this side.
Okay. Tell me if you can hear this.
Oh my God, the delay. Yeah, there's a massive delay because I heard it on my phone and then I heard it again about 2 seconds later.
Let me mute this and then y'all tell me if y'all can hear it.
Yeah, we heard it.
But if he goes around the corner with the trees, we probably won't be able to hear it. I think the trees were stopping the sound.
Huh, okay, let me pass y'all up and go the other direction.
That was loud.
Extremely obnoxious. Oh yeah, we heard that.
Let me keep going then.
Honk it again. Oh yeah, we heard that.
I am about 0.5 miles from you guys again. You ready?
Oh my God, we could barely. If you go any further, we're not hearing it. Like that was hard to hear.
And that was like in the woods, like back off to the corner. That was not
like the camera probably couldn't even pick that up.
All right, let me try again.
I am 0.7 miles from you guys. We're gonna try again. Did you hear anything?
No, there's a lot of cars driving by.
Okay, well tell me whenever you have a break in traffic.
All right, go ahead. Did you honk it?
Yeah, y'all really can't hear it?
We're not in a straight line and there's a lot of wood, so it's probably being absorbed by that.
Yeah, I know. I'm just very surprised that. I mean, I can almost see you guys over there.
So tell me whenever you can still hear it.
Well, we got 18-wheelers honking at us, so that's cool.
That's hilarious.
All right, you ready? I'm gonna try it again.
All right, cool, you're clear.
Where you were? I didn't hear it. No, didn't hear it.
Nothing.
What?
Hold on, we got lots of traffic.
Okay, do it again.
Go ahead, now do it. Nope.
We should have heard it by now.
Yeah, we should have heard it by now.
Really? Okay, that is really wild.
Oh, there you are. All right, so we got like 0.7 miles for how far it'll reach.
Holy crap.
Damn! Sadly, it's not that loud.
I am so surprised though, to be honest.
But also, it's like it's underneath the car and it's directional. So like, because it's hidden. If it was like an actual like train horn or a truck horn, it's on top of the car.
True.
So it sends it out instead of like this kind of hitting the bumper underneath the car and stuff.
That is true.
This is definitely more of a scare tactic thing.
It's kind of like a, hey, you in front of me, get the fuck out the way.
Yeah. Let's try again right here because this is a long straight shot and I want to see how far y'all can hear it.
All right.
Just to see if y'all can hear it any further.
All right, goodbye.
Bye.
Oh shit, my door locked. Bye. Nope, don't honk it, don't honk it, don't honk it. It's gonna honk it, it's gonna honk it. I'm telling you, he's gonna honk it. Don't do it. Please don't.
I'm sitting here with my earplug just.
Oh, I'm so scared. It's good. Wow, he didn't do it. Okay.
There it is.
Yep.
All right, so just to debunk this theory, we're gonna go straight down this road for about the same distance, and we're gonna see if they can hear it from where they're at. We're not gonna change anything else except for the fact that now we're on a straight road instead of a curvy road. We are right at about a half mile. So this is where you guys were able to hear it last time.
You ready?
Yep. Yeah, we hear it way more clear.
We heard that one pretty good. How far was that?
That was actually at 0.9 miles.
Yeah, definitely being on a straight and unobstructed definitely helps.
Yeah.
For sure.
I'm gonna go out to, let's see what this next turn off is. I'm gonna see how far this is. This is kind of interesting. I feel like Mythbusters. By the way, we are waiting until cars pass, for the most part, for this exact reason. I want to make sure that there's nothing obstructing this sound and it's all just
Go ahead,
a true test. Alrighty, here we go. They had to have heard that.
Yep.
It's very, very faint.
You can tell it's pretty far away.
I'm at 1.3 miles. I'm gonna move down a little bit further. I'm literally gonna point and angle the bell of these damn horns right at y'all.
No, nothing. We couldn't hear it.
No way, really?
Yeah, I think like if you did this on like an airstrip.
Oh yeah, it
something
definitely,
where
it'd probably reach about 2 to 2.5 miles on an airstrip.
Yeah, think about it. Like it also depends on conditions, because like think about like the train here. How like some days you can hear it like way on the other side of town, but some days you can't.
Yeah.
Your results may vary.
About 1.5 miles or so is about how far that you can hear this horn, which is loud. 1.5 miles, that's a long fucking way. What is that, 7,800 feet or something like that? Like 7,300 feet, something like that, 7,500, somewhere around there. That's a lot of feet. I only have 2. 7,500 is a whole lot more than 2. But anyways, about 1.5 miles, that's all you got to be able to hear it without trees or any obstructions. And like we were saying, about 0.7 miles if you're going and blaring it through the trees and through things like that. So it cuts the noise about in half. Still pretty loud.
Don't do it, Gavin. Don't do it. Don't do it. Please. God damn it.
We should have done a comparison like the regular horn at like a short distance.
You probably really would only be able to hear that from 150 feet.
Yeah. I mean, you can barely
Here,
hear.
actually, watch.
Just sitting here.
Watch. Here you go. You ready? Here's a sound test. Horn. Okay. There's no telling why you would need to alert the drivers in front of you, but if you ever need to, honking like this, they may not hear that shit because they're music. They will hear that. I want to say thank you so much to Horn Blasters for sending this kit over for us to try out. Something that's different about this kit in comparison to other train horns is that this one actually sounds pretty close to a real train, whereas a lot of them kind of sounds like you kind of mix a kazoo with a train horn, you know? But anyways, with that being said, guys, this was the first video that we had in mind to do with the truck. So if you guys want to see anything else, comment down below and let us know what you want to see. We're going to try and make a bunch more videos with this thing because I personally really like this truck. I'm not going to lie. I was sad to see the Duramax go, but this thing is a perfect replacement. So anyways, ooh, I thought he was about to pull out. Hit the train horn. What's a funny pun to end on about horns other than being a horn star and stay horny. No. Me trying to be creative, it's like, I don't know. Anyways, see you guys next video.